Good morning from the cabin. The temporary one until we're actually in the cabin. So today we're going to the Restore, which should be pretty exciting. There's plenty to find there, but we're not sure what we're gonna find. So today we'll make day 10 of our cabin in the woods adventure. And honestly, I think we're gonna be almost to completion this time. We have all the doors. We just need to put them up. And I'm really hoping at the Restore that there is one, because I need another bathroom door. We also need a back door for the deck, and maybe we'll find some siding. See you at the Restore. We're at the Restore. I'm kind of impressed. There's a lot of stuff here. Wow. I have no idea what I'm looking for. I don't know. The sink. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I have no idea what I'm looking for. But there's lots of stuff. Which I don't need. Paint, which is awesome. Wow. I don't know what I'm doing. Insect killer, yard stuff. Pretty cool. Paint. Wow. Let's go see what else we can find. Look at all this. That would be amazing. Holy cow, it's so chilly. Wow. That's a lot of stuff. Nothing I can use. The Restore didn't work, so now we're gonna be, we're at this thrift store. So let's see what we can find. Looks pretty good, actually. Wow. These are neat. Let's go inside. It just opened. There's no way though. I'll find an outside set. And a coffee grinder. no to number 2. Let's try the 3rd place. All right, we're at the 3rd. Let's go see. This is beautiful. Hi. Good, how are you? Oh, wow, what a beautiful store. It sure is. Wow, it's stunning.
Well, thank you. We appreciate that.
Wow.
We got all sorts of fun things.
Yeah, that's coming home with me. Oh, that's coming home. That's definite. I'm gonna try it on first.
And we have a dressing room here to your left.
I was just thinking, this is beautiful. I'm gonna have to try this on just to make sure, but this is,
Isn't that adorable?
yeah, it's gonna come home with me if it fits.
I love it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I love it.
Wow. Yeah, these are absolutely stunning. It's amazing. Oh, wow.
Cute, cute, cute.
Oh, I love the fabric. Yeah, where's your rest? I'll try right there. Oh, so cool. Oh. Cute. Wow. How cute these are. Oh. Gosh. Oh my. That's awesome. Oh my god, that's a steal. I'm getting that. I'm definitely gonna get this. Is that I'm gonna get this as well. I'm gonna put that at the register.
For you.
Oh, thank you, love.
Take it up there. Love it.
All right, so we didn't get furniture, but we got the most beautiful dress, so I'm excited. Now let's go see where we can go find. I don't know, maybe we'll find something on the way back. Okay, so now we're at the Salvation Army. Let's see what we find. Can't be bad. That was a bust. So that's okay. I got a dress and I got a butter knife. A nice wooden butter knife too. Like really nice. It's gonna cut through nice, fresh, real butter that I'm gonna make.